I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading the image you want to apply, and you prepare the object. Open Maya, import or reference the PNG or JPG. Once done, select the object in the viewport. Make sure it has a valid UV layout. If it doesn't, you will unwrap now. Use UV Editor to inspect islands and to avoid overlapping shells, because a clean UV is why your texture will display correctly. Next, create a new material to host the image and keep the process organized. You now create a material and link the image through Hypershade. Choose an appropriate shader, AI Standard Surface for Arnold or Lambert/Blinn for viewport simplicity. Once selected, create a File Texture node and browse to your image. Plug that node into the material's color or base color. Then assign the material to the object. Make sure the shading group is correct. If you use UDIM or multiple textures, connect the appropriate file, nodes to the matching UV tile attributes before previewing in the renderer. You finish by previewing and refining placement so the image sits correctly on the object. Use the viewport's textured mode or an IPR render to evaluate scale, orientation, and seam placement. Then tweak UV shells, rotate or scale UVs, and adjust the file node's repeat values as needed. If something looks wrong, make sure the file path is correct, reload the file node, and clear Maya's texture cache. These quick steps usually resolve missing or stale textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.